Hey, welcome back, everybody. You're here for the latest episode of You Have the Floor, presented by ARDEX. I'm your host, Tommy Smith. Got a special guest here today, maybe one that you might recognize, the first returning guest for You Have the Floor, Mr. William White. How you doing today, sir?
Not too bad. Thanks, Tommy.
Great. It's great to have you here. We got a special...
It's great to be back.
Like I said, it's a big episode, man. Your first returning viewer, or first returning guest.
Yeah.
So this is fun. We had a little bit of fun a few weeks ago. We had a big project, and it might be something that you, as a listener or viewer, might, be asking yourself. Say you have a nice fireplace, all brick, and you want to give it a little spruce up, maybe add some tile to it. Mr. William, we got to go through and see how you would go about that. So I'll let you walk us through all the steps that you might need to take with that.
Yeah, I mean, imagine, you've got your house, you've got your existing fireplace, and, the brick, you're just kind of tired of it. It's looking just kind
It's
of
a little old.
It's looking a little old, a little dated.
Yeah.
How do I jazz that up a little bit with, the trend right now is for these really big tiles. And how do I even start that? Well, the brick probably isn't super smooth and super flat. So the first thing we have to do is smooth that out. Um, we used a product on our recent project called AM100. AM100 is a pre-tile repair mortar. It can be used both horizontally as well as vertically. Does not require a primer at all. All you have to do is mix it up and burn it in. And then you can actually screed it out to make things flat and true. And now you've got a perfectly flat substrate to start your project.
And, you guys are probably watching this now with some of the video that just played, but the editing power makes it look like it goes a lot faster, but it really does. It's a really fast and easy process that already moves you on to your next step. And with that, we went from AN100, and then we went to, as you would, the next product.
X77.
There you go.
Right. So when in doubt, pull X77 out. X77 is one of our MICROTEC mortars. And so being a MICROTEC mortar, it has the ability to support those really, really big tiles. We were doing like 24 by 48.
Huge. We'll show them up on the screen, but these are huge tiles.
Huge tiles. I mean, you have to have suction cups to pick them up. They're big.
They were huge, man.
And X77, we're able to place those tiles there, and they don't slip. They don't slide. We're not have to worry about propping them up. They just stay put.
It's like you put one on, and you would think, as somebody maybe on the outside, that, okay, you kind of have to hold it there for a long time. Right. And you probably held it there for maybe a few minutes, moved on to the next one, and then he didn't even have to touch it. It was done. It stayed there.
Yeah. It was like Velcro. You just slap it up and it sticks.
Yeah. I mean, like we say with ARDEX, the ease of the products is something that we really like to hammer home on. And this is just another example.
Easier, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so with X77, we're finally, on to one of the final steps. We moved into, I want to say, day 3, hitting it with DG1.
Yeah.
Really trusted grout here.
Yeah.
What do you think about how we handled all that?
So when you're all done with installing the tile, the last step is going to be your grouting and then the caulking for the change of planes. And so with grout, you've got lots of options. You've got cement-based grouts, you've got epoxy grouts, and now there's these new single component grouts that are ready to use right out of the bucket. I've used lots of them, and I haven't liked any of them. I'm currently in the middle of remodeling my own personal house.
Yeah.
And I used DG1, ARDEX's DG1, because in my opinion, it is hands down the easiest grout in the world to use.
Yeah.
Easy to apply, easy to clean up. In fact, it won't even accept a sealer, which is,
incredible.
That's crazy,
Incredible.
Right?
Incredible.
And so we were able to grout everything up, get it all finished up. All the joints are filled, and then we were able to use ARDEX SX at the change of plane because there's always going to be a little bit of movement there.
Yeah.
And so we want something that's super flexible, like silicone in that joint. And we actually showed some tips and tricks on how to do that and make it look nice and clean.
And all said and, all in the end, this turned out phenomenal. I mean, this looks so good. And for somebody who's still kind of new to ARDEX, getting to see the process from, day one all the way
to
completion was just incredible. And the work.
And what a transformation.
Yes,
I mean, it went from this old, tired brick fireplace with a gold
Reminded me of my
cover on
parents'
it.
house.
Totally. And now what we had was this slick new large format polished stone with a new satin black grate on it. That whole thing just looked amazing.
Just it was great, and we hope that you feel the same reaction looking at some of the footage that's overlaying this. But they might also have a question as a viewer or listener. Maybe I don't have a fireplace that I want to change. Is there something else I could use this process for?
Yeah, so that's the cool thing. AM100 is one of my favorite products because it's so versatile. You can use it in submerged applications like swimming pools if you're having to do make shape or ramping and sloping. It can be used interior or exterior.
The
Uh,
excitement's just brewing. You're
it's
mixing up
just
your words.
it's crazy. Yeah, I mean, so if you need to do anything to prepare your tile, because those big tiles need to be really flat,
Yep.
otherwise, you're going to have a hard time with lippage and they're just not going to look good or feel good when you walk on them. That's where that AM100 falls in. So, yeah, interior, exterior, you can use it on facades, ramping, submerged applications, ponds, swimming pools. I mean,
Incredible.
it's got a ton of uses.
Incredible. A
Yeah,
lot of uses and a great amount of ease. A
super
great
easy.
amount of ease.
Super easy.
Well, man, thank you again. And I really appreciate getting to see the process of kind of changing this, like you said, old kind of worn down fireplace
Tired.
into a brand new, like this is the kind of one that you see on one of those new houses that you're
Oh, on
looking
the
to
cover
buy.
magazine,
Oh yeah,
right? I mean, it was
exactly.
pretty cool.
It was great. And I appreciate you taking time to kind of give our listeners and our viewers a chance to understand the process and figure out how maybe they could apply it to their own jobs or at their houses.
Well, and if they have questions, they can always reach out to ARDEX.
Yeah.
We'll connect you with one of our reps who can actually come out to your job site and help you figure out what products do you need to end up with that beautiful finished project.
It's all about ease here at ARDEX.
Yeah.
Well, William, I appreciate you joining, and I appreciate you guys taking a listen for the latest episode of You Have the Floor presented by ARDEX. Make sure to tune in on YouTube for the latest episodes, and make sure to follow along on ARDEX America's social media to stay up to date with the latest news. All right, everybody, I'm Tommy Smith. This is William White. Hope you have a good one.